Hey people, and this is my package came in today. It's from Amazon, and I'll show you let's see what we got in here. Okay, here's my first package right here I got. Let's see what we got in here. I mean not first package, my first bag of stuff right here. Let's see what we got in here. Oh my gosh, we got little cute toy animals. Aww. So cute, fox. Family. Oh, so cute. So Dee Doodle cute, like kind of sticking cute. Okay, but so cute. I got in here. 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we got another one. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, we got wolves. Oh, don't rush. Oh, we got wolf packs. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are so beautiful. Oh, little wolf cub and white wolves. Oh my gosh. Some of these can be male or females. Oh, we got some wildlife animals right here. Wolves too. Oh, he is gorgeous, handsome wolf. And she's gorgeous too, pretty girl. A blue eyes girl. So this one's probably a girl too. And another one, and this one can be a boy. And don't worry, I'll figure out names for them. Oh, she is pretty. Oh, a handsome wolf. Oh my gosh. And we got a little baby wolf pup. Oh, so cute. So, yeah. I'm going to maybe play with these, make videos of wolves, and be friends with other kind animals. So, that's my stuff. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Pick comments down below. And if you like animals, where it says animals you are for a little bit. But get these on Amazon. They are a better deal to get than stock in fields. But that's okay. But I like animals. So, that's my video. Bye!